What's up, y'all? Trinnet Live 99 back in with another video today. If y'all can't tell, I already got a dip in. I already got a Crackhead Mountain Dew. Today, well, I guess we're working on that wide body mower that I dragged from Super Packer's house. Boss man, the 12 valve, the square nose, the bulldog. So we dragged it over here. I got it in the barn. I'm working on it right now. I just got the brakes unstuck. It's a little dark, alright? It's like 4. No, it ain't 4. It might be 4:30. I don't know what time it is. But it's getting dark. So I just got these brakes unstuck. And the motor's seized on it. It's a newer motor, so old boy told me that it ran when he put it up. But I just don't believe it. It's a newer model motor than what I pulled off the Husky, which I can't remember if I put. No, that video is not out. Sorry guys, I've got like 7 videos that I've got to upload, and this is probably gonna be another one that's just gonna get lost. But this video is probably the one that needs to be uploaded first, because, you know, I'm in Spanish language class, and the teacher gets on YouTube a lot and shows us these songs that are supposed to help us learn how to spell Spanish. Wow, or help us learn how to learn Spanish. And everybody at school pretty much knows I do YouTube. I mean, SRO knows, principal knows, assistant principal knows, all my teachers know, so it's no secret, So, well, they said, or the teacher said, if I made a clean video without any cuss words in it, that we'd watch it. And that Murray Hall video, we'll bring it over here. I could have swore that thing was clean, but I guess it wasn't. So, I'm gonna try to not cook a cuss today. I probably already said. I'll just bleep that out. I probably already said, yeah. But anyways, I just got the brakes unstuck. They were stuck pretty good. I took like some 1980s off-brand WD-40 and shot her up a little bit. So that's working. About this motor, it's stuck, alright? It is seized. Now usually, if you sometimes a seized motor, or especially like a 1-cylinder or 2-cylinder, I mean, the dang piston's about that big around. I mean, it's about big as, half my head. Half your calf. But anyways, they're usually not that bad to unstick. This one, I think I'm just going to have to trash this motor, which I didn't want to, because it's an extra horsepower over the one I'm going to put on it. So I'm going to try to get it going, but it's going to need some work. So here's a look at what's going on here. I know y'all probably can't see it, but it's the transaxle one. So I like these mounts for the deck. That'll really, because alongside building it for speed, I really want to get some power in this thing, use it as a utility tractor on the side, which will come in handy on the farm. I just can't speak today. Oh yeah, what we dipping on? We got some Grizzly Green. I'm honestly, I mean, if Grizzly wasn't so expensive, I would do it all the time. Especially with, people. I've been sleeping in class a lot. Just don't mind that. Let's see what we can't get done. Let's go to work. What's up, Joe? It's me again. I'm back. It's been a couple days since I've done anything out here. It's just been too cold. So, what am I doing today? Honestly, I forgot what I was trying to do. Let's see, you got the brakes going. Could remove the motor, but well, Oh, forgot to bring my knife. I was gonna cut me some zip ties so I could take the wiring harness off. Cause that entire thing's, oh Jesus, that entire thing is zip-tied to the frame. I mean, this is a hefty machine. So, kind of got reassured I know this thing don't work. Alright, because I just got done watching a video about some old boy. He's doing the same pulley ratio, 1-to-1. And his goes like 20, 30, something like that. It's in the 30s, alright? It's a pretty nice machine. So, maybe we'll hit 20 or 30 on this thing. That'd be pretty fun. I wouldn't mind doing something like that. Alright, but anyways, before we get to work, I'm kind of thirsty. And I need a dip. So, we gotta put us a dip in, man. Come on. And if you don't put a dip in with your work gloves on, what are you doing? What's wrong with you? Gosh dang wind, man. Always messing with my stuff. Oh, you hear that? Oh. What's up, Nugget? Yeah, you better run. $5 fill up more gravy. Oh, today we're dipping on some Grizzly Green. I think I was dipping on Grizzly Green last time. I don't know, I'm about to make that switch back to Stoker's because my lip's just been worn out. I've only gone through about 2 pinches of this can. And I don't know, that when I got that can, I had a couple pinches down. So maybe a full can of Grizzly Green so far over 4 or 5 days, I don't know. So, I don't know, it's just something about Grizzly. I like it, but it'll wear my gums out. God. Drop my Mountain Dew. Bet that thing's gonna be all fizzled and giggled right now. So let's crack us a dew. Let's waste all the dew that's about to come spewing out of something or another. Yep. Oh, y'all couldn't even see it.
That was at least 3/4 of a can right there. Got my hat on there. Shoot. It's my good hat too. Alright.
Can you feel the taste of Coca-Cola?
I feel better now.
Woohoo, Monday, we're off. Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Yeah. Woo. It's like 11 degrees out here. Woo. I just dropped my Mountain Dew. Woo. Just went down and left my freaking air filter off the old Coke Cadet off. All last week. All that rain stuff was going on. Woo. Yeah. Great. That thing ground frozen. Ain't doing nothing. Except for work on this piece of junk. Oh, man. Oh.
I'm wasting 6 minutes of my life right now. Make that 7 minutes. Wasting battery that I could be wrenching on this. Wasting my time. The sun's going down. I'm cold, alright? I just wasted just about half a Mountain Dew, alright? And I about lost this full can of Grizzly Green.
Woo! Wonderful!
Just got done filling up your lawnmower with gas because it just ran out of gas. And you got gas all over your fingers because you spilt the gas all over yourself. Alright? And you're like, I just wasted all this gas. I got no more gas. You know, you just sitting there thinking,
I ain't got no more gas.
you know? Realize, you know, you got Candy Grizzly Green in your back pocket, so you're like, well, you know, give it a 3-packer, open that can up, get you a pinch, all of a sudden you just taste gas. Like, man. Ain't nothing like getting liquored up on gasoline. It'll bring it out in a person.
Diff review.
What y'all see? I know y'all can't see right now. Cause the sun, it's only gonna get worse.
Feel good. That'll work.
Alright? You know.
Can you feel the taste of Coca-Cola?
I'm in the mood now. Let's go to work. What's up, Joe? It's me again. As always, my mouth is getting dry as I'm walking to the shed to grab something that I don't have down there. I don't have any extensions for this or breaking bar. On this big. Look how big this thing is. It's freaking huge.
That's what she said.
Well, I guess she'll just have to do. Lord. What's this, 9? Yep. Get in there. Probably won't be able to get that off later, but my hands are just froze in. Had to take my gloves off so I could film this. Thought them gloves said that they'd work. Touching your phone and doing stuff. Better. I don't like it's cold. I'm gonna make it short as possible so I don't freeze my hands to the point where I get frostbite. They're already freaking purple. And it don't help that I'm holding freaking metal in my hands. That's been out. And the code is just don't help. It don't help. Oh, where's my gloves? What are doing with my gloves? Oh, there they are. Alright, man, we'll see.
What's up, y'all? It's me again. Alright? It's gonna be a little bit light. It's gonna be a little bit dark. Alright? We're going outside. We're gonna work on the mower again. It's the next day. You know, I filmed yesterday. It was just too cold, you know what I mean? So, you know, we're gonna try again tonight. It done got cold again. I think it's snowing outside now. So, let's crack us a do. Get us a dip in our lip. Let's get down there. Let's go to work.
Can you feel it? The taste of Coca-Cola.
Nothing like the refreshing flavor and taste of a Mountain Dew, alright? Of a Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew, I still need your apology for getting rid of USA. Like, Jesus. 4th of July just wasn't the same this year.
Can you feel it?
But you best believe we got us some Mountain Dew. Today, we're dipping on some Grizzly Green. Grizzly Green, y'all can say that. Yep. And we got a pinch left, yeah. We got us a pinch. Why does it look so dry? It ain't that dry! But, you know, it ain't that dry. It's just light. I know that looks like it's all dried up and stuff, but it's not. Alright? Let me tell you. It's not. So, we just, it's like 10 o'clock tonight. Been waiting on my phone to charge up so I can make good contento without rushing it. Alright? Because I'm an American. I ain't a Russian. So I ain't rushing this video. I'm an American. Hoorah. So, what the fuck was that? What was that? It must have been my reflection or something. It was a little bit different. Looked like somebody was on the porch. I was about to have to grab my Russian SKS. And my American flag, so I'm American. So when I shoot the Russian SKS, I'm still American. You know, I don't turn into Vladimir. So, yeah. It's pretty decent. You know, it's kind of small. You ain't really got to pack a big one with Grizzly Green, so. Cheers, Buzz! You gotta look nice, alright? Can't get it all over yourself.
Disgust me. Alright, so we gonna head on down there. Let's go to work, alright? I'm gonna be pulling a late night trying to get this video done. Then I gotta stay up the rest of the night and edit it. Then I just gotta let it upload, do its thing, you know what I mean? So, yeah. So here's what we got. I laid it down. Got it on stands. And I've been working on getting the some electrical out. Electrical. I forgot to bring a knife out again. I don't know if I told y'all, but can't remember. But yesterday I was trying to take the motor off, and one of the gosh dang motorboats, the head of the boat broke off, so the rest of the boat stuck in the gosh dang motor block. So until I get a drill and a tap, you know, some decent equipment to fix that, this motor will not be used. It's already seized. It's pretty seized up, so this motor so far ain't too good. I don't know if y'all can see off in there, but there's all kinds of crap off in there. I think there's a rat nest in there. So I'm gonna take that motor off and probably set it to the side for some day that I feel like rebuilding it. What else? My seat so far. Just see what I'm working with. You know, I kind of like it. I like it being right there because you can reach everything. You know, let me get on it real quick. Let's see. That is a problem. That is not supposed to do that. All right. So just hop on the old machine here. Oh. See, I got the gosh thing shifter right there. Got the deck adjuster right there. What is that? That's a wire? That's a wire. You know, parking brake, throttle, or T in the throttle. And I can just drive this thing one handed, just, you know. And then the little engagement piece right there. Don't know what I'm going to use that for, but I'm going to keep it on there. I ain't putting the deck back on there. Pulleys are just a piece of crap. So we got new tires over there for these. So yeah, it's gonna be a long one. So maybe this will be a long video. So bear with me, y'all. All right, bear with me. Let's just try to get some stuff done. All right. You know what? I might see how bad the gaskets on those are, because my other one's all messed up. I don't want to see what those valves look like, because I'm afraid I've done messed up the ones on that one. So, you know, we got some work to do. We got a little bit of work to do. I just really don't know where to start. There's just so much. I guess we could start by burn a throttle on her, you know, fuel line. There's all kinds of crap in there. I gotta get washed out. I don't even see. Oh, there it is. Ow, son of a. Man, look how rusty that stuff is down in there, old son. Just rusted. So we gotta get that cleaned out. Have a feeling that solenoid's gonna be bad. Throttle cable does not look bad, so I might keep it. Look down on that. Look down that hole. That just don't look good. See, throttle's screwed. I don't know if y'all can see down in that boat right there, but I broke my torque head off in there a while back trying to get this throttle or this carburetor off, because I was gonna use everything that's on it, but yeah, that didn't work. So I wasn't sure about this screw being that far out on the other motor, but apparently it's stock, so, or apparently it's supposed to be like that. I doubt the fuel filter's gonna be any good, but I'm gonna take a look at it. You know, just taking stuff off, seeing what's good, what's not so good. I might keep it muffler. Put the double muffle sound on the old Tecumseh sitting over on the table. But other than that, I've just been taking the wire brush to her, getting some of this, you know, crusty paint off. Because, y'all know, as I did with my other mower, I'm either going to paint this thing the old red color, but I'm going to repaint it either way. I'm either going to go black on black and name this thing Johnny Cash, like I was going to do with my other motor, or I'm going to paint it red, and I don't know what I'm going to call it then. You know, if you name your project, you know, it kind of, you know, it gives you more of a reason to keep on doing it, you know. It's like, if you didn't have a name to the project, then you just had no motivation. So y'all leave in the comments, what should I name this thing? Wide Body? Johnny Cash? I mean, I like the name Johnny Cash because that One Up Church song is like nice. So let's see. So I'm gonna quit wasting y'all's time, because that's just more stuff I gotta edit. But I do gotta show y'all what my progress is. So I don't know what I'm gonna do now, but yeah, we're just gonna go to work. So let's go to work, y'all. All right, y'all. I guess I'll just call it for this video. It's basically just been a waste of crap this entire time. But, yeah. So, I don't know, maybe I'll get it ready for paint tomorrow. And I'll paint it and I'll show y'all that, and I don't know. Just depends, you know. I'd go out and buy paint anyways. I don't even know what I want to paint it. Do I want to paint it red? Do I want to paint it black? I think I'm going to go with the black for that one song, you know. Wind's just freaking howling. I'm tired of being out here. I have lost my Mountain Dew. No clue where my dew is. I don't even see it in the house. Oh, that might be it. That better be it. Stick my American boots inside. But yeah, that's gonna pretty much be a video for today. I'm just tired of being awake, tired of being outside. Yeah, so I'm probably just gonna put another dip in this video, and I don't know. Jeebus. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be this video for today. You know, I don't know when part 2's coming out. Soon, I don't know. Whenever it comes out, you know. So we'll see you next time, boys.